Today is the last and final day of the India Energy Week. From high-level discussions to business networking, India Energy Week proved to be a one-of-a-kind platform for energy leaders and startup innovations. Now, the India Energy Week that started on the 11th of February is concluding today on the 14th of February at the Yashobhoomi Center in New Delhi. The four-day event also gave a platform to budding innovators in the energy field. And our correspondent, Nikita Singh, caught up with one of the top 5 winners of the Avinya 2025, India's premier energy startup competition. Listen in to these young minds, what they have to say about their innovation for making a sustainable tomorrow.
We have Gaurav and Divyanshi with us today. Gaurav, the young founder of Ugreen Technology, and Divyanshi is the marketing head. And Ugreen Technology is about 2.5 years old. Tell us about how did you come up with the concept of Ugreen and what does it exactly do?
Ugreen Technology is working towards the decarbonization of the difficult to decarbonize sector like oil and gas, power, cement and every sector that you see around. So what exactly we do is we capture the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the major reason for global warming that is very talked about in the industry. We capture it using our proprietary technology made in India by Indians for the world. And using that proprietary technology, we capture it and then we convert it into some useful product.
Lovely. Also, Gaurav would love to know the support that Oil India has provided you with and how is that shaped up?
So one thing I always had in my mind when I was a kid, that energy sector is very huge. Obviously, the companies are very huge and you can never be in contact with those companies. Working with oil and gas or an energy sector company was a very big thing for us back then. I met 2 of the directors of Oil India Limited and they were so good that they were listening to what I was saying and the idea. They invited us to the pitch. There I understood that Government of India under the Startup Initiative, Startup India as started by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. So Oil India has their startup hand by the name of SNE, Startup Nurturing, Enabling and Hand-Holding, and I can say I'm a testimony to that they have done everything. Whether it's nurturing, they have provided us with mentors, they have provided us with industry support, monetary help and everything. So we are very proud to say that we have also done our pilot with Oil India Limited.
Coming to you, Divyanshi, how has your experience been with working with Oil India and also heading the marketing of a startup?
So my experience firstly at Ugreen has been incredible. Trusting me with the marketing of the company, it's such a special moment for me because Oil India has been with Ugreen from initial stages when we were just an idea, and it has helped us to bring that idea to reality. So yeah, it has been an amazing experience.
Now let's talk about the Avinya Startup Challenge at India Energy Week 2025 and all your hard work, hours of effort being awarded. How does that feel? And tell us more about this feeling.
So we are in the energy sector from past 4 years and Avinya Energy Startup Challenge is being hosted for continuously 3 years. And we always have dreamt of this particular moment then when we can say that yes, we are the winners of this challenge. So Avinya basically is hosted by India Energy Week and around 173 top-notch startups from the energy sector participated in this particular challenge. And based out of hard work and the pitches that we did, the work that we are doing out here at Ugreen Technology, we were awarded with this particular thing that we are India's top 5 startup working in the energy domain. And that's the most lovely experience because India Energy Week is one of the most prominent platform where you could get featured, and being in the energy sector, it's a lovely opportunity for all of us.
India Energy Week that started on the 11th of February is concluding today on the 14th of February at the Yashobhoomi Center in New Delhi.